All right, now we're doing 7Q length and 2 values. This is by Lonely Kitty, and 91% of the people like it. Given a number in and 2 values, first value and second value, we're going to build an array of size in filled with first value and second value alternating. So basically, here's 5, that's going to be the in, and then it's going to start true, false, true, false, true 5 times. All right. So right here, we're going to say let result equal empty array, and we're going to say for. We use a for loop here. We're going to say let index equals 0 while index is less than in. We're going to iterate through by saying index plus plus. All right. And then down here we're going to say if, and inside this if we're going to say if, we're going to do the not operator, and then inside of these parentheses we're going to put index remainder operator 2. So if index divided by 2 has a remainder, if index divided by 2 does not have a remainder, we're going to say, first let's talk about push. We're going to use the push method that adds one or more elements to the end of an array and returns the new length of the array. So right here, here's cows, animals.push cows. So it pushes it on the end of this to where it says pigs, goats, sheep, cows. Run it. There's the proof right there. All right, so let's do, down here we're going to say return. No. We're going to say result dot push, and then we're going to say first value. All right. And else we're going to say result dot push second value. All right. And then down here we're going to say return result. Let's see what happens. Test it out. It works. Yeah, it works. But you know what? That's a lot of typing. I think we can do something a little more concise. So right here we're going to say, we're going to say, what would be good? Const right there. Let's put an equals here, and let's get rid of this stuff and put a arrow right there. And so right here we're going to use Array.from. Pardon me, the Array.from static method creates a new shallow copied array instance from an array-like or iterable object. So basically, like here, Array.from, and here's an array, and then it has like a little map function afterwards. So array, and then the array comes from x plus x. So it's going to be like, here's x plus x would be 2, 2 plus 2 would be 4, 3 plus 3 would be 6, and there's the proof right there, right? And so here's the syntax, Array.from, array-like, and element right there. But we're also going to use the element index in this one, all right? So let's get to it. We're going to say array.from, and the first part of this array.from is this array-like thing. And the array-like thing we're going to use on this is going to be something like this, this little object right here, like length is 5. So right here we're going to say in an object length, and that length is going to be in. All right, and then after that comes that little map function. So we're going to say element index. Actually, we don't even need the element. We're just going to have blank index, and then arrow function. And then what we're going to do here, I already forgot what we're doing. Oh yeah, we're going to do the thing that we did earlier, except we're going to do a ternary operation for this. So we're going to say not operator if index, and then the remainder operator 2 question mark. We're going to put in there first value, and if not, second value. All right, let's test it out. All right, works. Attempt it. There we go. Submit it. Awesome. Very like this one. Let's go to My Solutions. Looks like just me. Best practice on this one, and we'll see you next time.